Greetings, fellow Earthlings. Today I'm back with another DIY, I guess. Today we're gonna be cropping this sweater. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a knit sweater, and it's pretty long. Yeah. So what I wanna kind of do with this is just crop it and maybe make it look similar to the bare knuckles sweater. I'll throw it up on the screen right here. So in order to crop the sweater, you need three things: measuring tape, scissors. Make sure they are cloth scissors and not kitchen scissors, because you will not be able to cut anything with kitchen scissors. And you will need fingers and a brain, and eyes. This is how the sweater looks like. I plan to crop it like, let's find it, around here. Is that 22? Yeah, right here, 22 or 22.5, like right there. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Modern problems require modern solutions, you know? So what I've done right now is I've got a roll of tape just to mark where I want to cut it, because I don't have a fabric marker. Yeah, tape works. Alright, so I've cut the bottom part off. It's right here. Yeah, so this is what the sweater looks like currently. Yeah, it's cropped. Sleeves are longer than the body. It's good. Alright, I'm done ripping out the tape. Would you look at that? You got like kind of like lines where the wool was. It's cool because it kind of distresses the fabric a little, and hopefully the sweater will be easy to distress. Okay, now that the cropping is done, all we have to do is to distress these little guys, and distress the collar, distress the sleeves, and we got our bare knuckle sweater. Okay guys, after cropping the sweater, what you have to do is you have to shake this thing. So all the stuff, all the things, all the little threads, all the loose threads gets out of the sweater, so you get a cleaner kind of look, so it doesn't fall out when you wear it. So first, I'm gonna be distressing the collar. I don't really know how I'm gonna go about it, but I'm just gonna grab this and just gently, okay, maybe not gently, but just, you know, make it flare. So I've tried distressing it and it doesn't seem to be working. Okay, so I spent like a decent 30 minutes trying to distress the thing, the sweater. My seam ripper has done kind of a good job trying to distress and cut holes and to really just roughen up the edges. And I think it works. I mean, it seems to be working. This is the bottom, and it's fraying, so I don't think I'll have to distress that anymore. Yeah, so this is what I got for the collar so far. If you look closely, there are a few strands here and there that are like kind of popping up. I mean, you can't really see it because it's black, so I'm just pointing out the strands. Over here, I made a hole. Oops, where's the hole? Okay, I do not see the hole, but I made like a little rip in the garment. So, the hole is here. Yeah, it's pretty tiny, but yeah, I've just been at it for 30 minutes and it's looking kind of promising. So I think I'll just do the distressing for a bit more, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done. Time for some on-body shots, I guess. So that was it. That was the sweater, cropped and distressed. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching me cut and distress the sweater, and if y'all thought it looked like the bare knuckles one, let me know in the comments. If y'all didn't like the sweater, let me know in the comments too. Feel free to like, comment, and share it with a friend if you want to, but only if you want to, not because I'm telling you to. Peace.